What's up, y'all? I'm back with another highly requested vlog, 72 hours in Puerto Rico. I'm ready. I hope you guys are too. Let's go. So yes, my man did book 72 hours for us for Valentine's Day in Puerto Rico, and I'm so super duper excited. We made our way to Raleigh because we did not decide to fly out of Charlotte due to the fact that they are very expensive and they didn't have a lot of flights going straight to Puerto Rico. So we drove 2.5 hours to Raleigh, caught a flight from there. And did I tell y'all it was super early in the morning? Like, it was so bad. But we were so tired, like literally barely even ate, okay? We were damn near smacked and fried as heck, okay? Ready for this flight. But yeah, y'all, we about to take off and I'm gonna check back in when we about to land. Not gonna lie, I was gonna try to record to show y'all me getting them Biscoff cookies, but like, did I mention that I was tired? Yeah, your girl fell asleep for the whole plane ride. But I was able to catch a video of us in the sky, and Puerto Rico is so beautiful, y'all. Like, even after we got off the plane and got in our Uber and was on the way to the Airbnb, just driving through the country, the mountains, or whatever you want to call it, okay? Like, it was just so beautiful, from the sky to the fresh air to the mountains to the palm trees to like so much green. A girl was in love, not gonna lie. But this is my third time in Puerto Rico. This is my #1 vacation spot. Like, I will choose Puerto Rico any day because it's just so beautiful. The people are just so genuinely nice, and there's so much to do there. So we finally arrived to the Airbnb, which is located in Luquillo Beach, around like 40 minutes from San Juan / the airport. And look at this view, y'all, like stunning. Oh my gosh. That same night, we did get dressed up to go to Sip and Paint. So, you know, I had to put my little cute yellow fit on. And this is what we was painting as Sip and Paint. Y'all, this was probably the most complicated Sip and Paint that I've done. We've done this before in Puerto Rico, and we had like did a wolf. But this one was by far kind of more complicated just because of the color mixing. And look how hard I'm mixing those colors, y'all. Like, I'm really trying to get in there and make sure that I'm following the instructions that the lady is telling me to follow. What? Oh, sorry. Overall, I say Sip and Paint is definitely a really fun activity for a couple, especially if it's y'all first time. And then the instructor was super nice. She taught the class in both English and Spanish. And this is the end. Like, we had so much fun, y'all. And then we had a night out on the town in San Juan. We was taking shots, had a great time. All right, y'all, we about to take shots. Lime time. We already fucking up.
I just took my vitamins too.
How are we supposed to do this? Oh wait, I'm gonna come right. Yeah. Not gonna lie, y'all, these first few shots was the start of a lit night. Like, when I tell you, we went to almost each and every bar in Old San Juan. In Puerto Rico, they know how to have fun. Like, look at this club or this bar. Like, we had a time, and the drinks was so cute. But by the end of the night, I dang sure was effed up because I was so hungover. But not hungover enough to make sure I couldn't get up for that all-inclusive resort day in the morning. Yes, that's exactly what we're doing today. Today, we are hitting an all-inclusive resort. Way better than just paying thousands of dollars to stay at the resort, in my opinion, since I love to be around locals. This resort, it was by the Sheraton, and it was so nice. Just wait till I show y'all. But here I am just getting ready. I am using my new Fenty Beauty concealer and my foundation. I bought this from Sephora literally a few days before the trip because I wanted some makeup that not only complements my skin tone, but also is gonna make my skin bright. It's gonna make it pop, and it's gonna make me look so girl-la-la in my pictures. Hello. After I apply my foundation and my concealer, I am going in with my blending brush. I usually would use a sponge, but I didn't have any. And I just blend out that concealer to make like that bright under eye / bright area look. Mind you, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, no cap. But I'll make sure to put the products that I use in the description in case you guys wanted to know what makeup I used or what kind of Fenty Beauty I used. And yeah. This is the finished look, very soft, very cutesy, and now we're on the way to the resort. We did do Ubers damn near the whole time. We was gonna get a rental, but we was like, nah, we might as well just keep doing Ubers. And this lady's Uber was so cute, like she had it decked out via Valentine's theme, and it was just very tea. And you know we was listening to Bad Bunny dang near the whole time, because we in Puerto Rico. You can't be in Puerto Rico without listening to Bad Bunny, okay? W Lyft driver. All right, y'all, we finally arrived at the resort, and it is so beautiful. The pool and the infinity pool was on the 4th floor, which seemed really high up. Like, look at this view, y'all. Like, you cannot make this up. I would rather pay for this for a day or two than to pay thousands and thousands of dollars. Look at me in my bikini catching a tan. Ow. Like, y'all, we literally stayed in this pool until the sun set. And mind you, he's literally sitting here encouraging my bad spending habits, talking about some, yes, you should get that second phone, but nah, this is in Puerto Rico Sheraton Hotel.
Gotta put that in there.
It was cold.
Puerto Rico is the resort.
Yeah. I mean, they got a casino, so I guess that's part of it. And then they got the restaurants, and they got this. So, man, for all of this, we could just do what we've been doing. Airbnb, day pass. For our last and final day, y'all, we did decide to do a yacht tour plus another day at a different resort. As you can see, your girl was tea, hair was laid, makeup was slayed, and fit was overly cute. Like, come on now, look at the water matching and complementing my skin tone. Like, look how beautiful Puerto Rico is. I love Puerto Rico so much. This is views from the yacht. And they did have an open bar, so we was getting tipsy off hella rum punches, y'all. Like, when I tell you it was unlimited, like, you could go to that bar as many times as you want. Like, it was no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We ended our last day by hitting the last resort, catching a tan, and dipping in the pool before having to catch an early flight. This concludes the vlog, and if you guys want more vlogs like this, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!